Your car won't start, but the problem might be simpler than you think. Here are 10 common reasons your car won't start, and how to fix them. The most common cause. If you turn the key and hear clicking or nothing at all, your battery may be flat. Fix. Try jump-starting the car or replacing the battery. If you hear a single click but the engine doesn't turn, the starter motor could be faulty. Fix. Tap the starter lightly or replace it if needed. If your battery keeps dying, the alternator may not be charging it. Fix. Check charging voltage around 14V when running. It sounds obvious, but it happens more than you think. Fix. Add fuel and try again. If the engine cranks but doesn't start, your fuel pump may not be delivering fuel. Fix. Listen for a humming sound when turning the key. No spark equals no ignition. Fix. Check spark plugs and ignition coils for wear or damage. Modern cars won't start if the key isn't recognized. Fix. Try a spare key or check key battery. If the ECU doesn't know engine position, it won't start. Fix. Scan for fault codes and replace sensor if needed. A blocked fuel filter can stop fuel reaching the engine. Fix. Replace the fuel filter. If timing is off, the engine won't fire correctly. Fix. Check timing chain or belt alignment. If your car still won't start after these checks, it's best to run a full diagnostic scan. Most problems come down to battery, fuel, or spark, so start there. If this helped you, subscribe for more car repair tips and diagnostics.